Safety is paramount when decommissioning these large aircraft. Workers carefully secure the hoses to the CH-530 as the draining process begins.
The hot and dry climate of Tucson is ideal for aircraft storage, as the lack of severe weather prevents corrosion and deterioration.
Before storage, aircraft are thoroughly cleaned to remove sea contaminants that could accelerate corrosion.
Check the firing mechanism tolerance here.
Looks good, within limits. Log it. At this aerospace responsible facility, the 309th Maintenance and Regeneration Group oversees comprehensive storage.
This specialized coating ensures the aircraft's propulsion system can withstand extreme conditions, a vital step in maintaining the fleet. Turbine. To ensure long-term preservation, a uniform layer of spraylat is applied to the cowling. This
Make sure that housing is secure before we power it up.
Roger that. Just finishing the torque sequence now.
Watch the hydraulics on the left side. Bring that section down slow. The schematic shows the hydraulic line connection right here.
Yeah, I'm loosening that coupling now.
This meticulous dismantling process is crucial. We carefully remove each component, ensuring that nothing of value goes to waste.
The dismantling process requires precision and power. Here we see the angle grinders cutting through the fuselage. Technicians collaborate to remove cockpit sections, windows, and various electrical and mechanical systems from aircraft such as the C-130.
Keep coming down, just a little more. Watch your side, clear on this end. Set it down.
At one point, the boneyard helped with local tourism in Tucson, but due to security concerns, these tours have been terminated.
Did you label the actuator before putting it in the white bin?
Yes, serialized and logged.
Did the fuselage arrive from the 130 line?
Yeah, they just moved it to the west bay.
All right, keep it steady. Coming in slow on the left side.
Copy that, watching the clearance. Watch the clearance on your side. Looks good, keep coming straight. What's the measurement on the leading edge? 22.5 inches, looks good.
The modernization effort requires careful calibration. It is this attention to detail that keeps our fleet up.
All right, steady now. Pull on 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep it moving slowly.
Did you secure the forward strut yet? Almost done, just tightening the last bolt.
With its specialized design, machinery, and equipment, the High Bay facility is built to support the B-52J upgrade program.
The avionics upgrade on the J model is critical.
How are the fuselage fatigue tests progressing?
We expect the data next quarter.
Modernizing the B-52H fleet, extending operational life into the 2050s.
Look at the complexity of this wiring harness.
It's incredible they managed to integrate the new system so seamlessly.
Easy now, just a little to the left. Okay, holding steady.
Looks aligned with the sensor array.
right, bring it around slowly.
Confirmed rotation speed is nominal.
Keep an eye on the couplings at the rear.
In this facility, we specialize in the meticulous disassembly of aircraft engines, ensuring every component is
We're clear on this side. How's the pressure reading on the pump?
Holding steady at 50 psi.
Weapon released. Confirm impact at 0400 Zulu.
Precision is key when calibrating the SG2 system. Every connection must be secure before the mixing process begins.
Before painting begin, the coating material is carefully mixed to achieve the correct color specification.
Keep the nozzle steady on the fuselage.
Copy that. Moving to the stabilizer now.
The C5M Super Galaxies, a true worst of military logistics.
Make sure your gear is secure. Roger that.
Almost there.